Hello everyone and welcome back to Power BI with Akshay. This is the second video in the DEX user defined function series, and from this video onwards I'm going to talk about the real world use cases of DEX user defined functions. This is the first use case video that focuses on having a centralized logic for display units across any measures. With the help of this user defined function, you can make your boring looking this visual, right, which has no particular display unit logic, go from this to this in just one function call.